We are training shelter medicine residents. These are the specialists of the future. These are my 3 residents currently. These are veterinarians who've been all the way through vet school, and they've usually worked in practice. And now they're coming back to an academic environment for 3 more years of specialized training, and then they'll be certified as a specialist. And they're trained in these topics that small animal veterinarians usually don't get much exposure to. Focusing on group health, disease outbreak control, developing protocols, and contributing to research to develop new knowledge and assisting us with these consultations. We also provide resources for your existing shelter veterinarians and shelter medicine. There's a number of conferences that are offered. Our next shelter medicine conference at the University of Florida will be October 8th and 9th. And you can go on our website and see the content. It's going to be very, very helpful. It's got hours and hours of work on keeping shelter cats healthy and happy so we can increase their adoptions, distemper, heartworm, and the new shelter medicine standards that are going to be coming out this year. And then we also, for the first time, have just gotten approved a certificate in shelter medicine for veterinary students. This is to encourage veterinary students to take elective courses in these topics, and we now offer about 10 courses in shelter medicine. And so our students that graduate with these certificates, you'll be able to identify as budding, extra committed new veterinarians that you can recruit into your shelters. All of our students participate in the Clerkship. This is a clinical rotation in which our students spay and neuter dogs and cats for the local rescue groups. They also provide veterinary care every week for our local municipal shelter and go to the local homeless shelter and take care of pets for the indigent. And you'll see our students here with a puppy and a kitten. I can guarantee you that no student at the University of Florida knows that there's any controversy about pediatric neutering. They just think that's normal. So if you're looking for good spay-neuter clinics, look for Gator grads. We also have a feral cat neutering program that's part of our shelter medicine program. We, once a month, neuter about 250 feral cats. They're all trapped by community members, brought to us, and released back to those caregivers in the afternoon. This is what it looks like. Our students participate in this as well. And then finally, we are very engaged in researching the unanswered questions in shelter medicine. It was Dr. Crawford from University of Florida who discovered canine influenza virus, first in racing greyhounds and then in shelters. We've studied a lot of improving anesthetics for spay-neuter programs, studied how these TNR programs work. We're always looking at new diagnostic tests and better ways to vaccinate and prevent disease.